Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, guys, I want to share with you how I cook my vegetable basmati rice. Guys, join me to cook basmati vegetable rice. If you are looking to wash your weight, you want to get rid of a little pounds from your body, this vegetable rice will be perfect for you guys. So guys, let's go. The first ingredients we're gonna use, we need 2 cups of basmati rice. Anyway guys, it depends the size of your family. So we're gonna we need plain saucepan and we're gonna pour hot water. Some people like to boil it in the straight to the gas or electric cooker. For me, it's going to be too soft, so I usually pour hot water on top of it, and I will just leave it. I will sieve the water out and I will leave it for a while. We need onions, we need yellow pepper, we need cherry tomato, we need frozen green peas. If you can get fresh one, that's okay as well. We need 2 carrots. So here the second step is to prepare the beef. So what I have here, I have Irish lamb, I have shin beef. I don't know any name for this beef than shin beef. So go ahead, get any type of beef. The reason why I use Irish lamb with shin beef, I love the taste of Irish lamb when I'm cooking my fried rice or means vegetable rice. Some people call it pillar rice, some people call it beef vegetable rice. I call it vegetable basmati rice. So I'm going to be seasoning it with minced pepper, with minced herb, salt, and with stock. So go ahead, get any of your stock, whatever you have. So let's prepare the yummy beef together. cooking and wash the dishes at the same time. Yeah.